Hello, me hearties. I am Captain Vasco. I am a captain of my pirate team. Do you want to see them? Here comes Mr. Shaki. You can call him Shaki. Hello. I am Mr. Shaki. You can call me Shaki, of course. And here's Skelly. Hello, I'm Skelly. Hello, I'm Mr. Lord. I'm Mr. Lord. You can call me Lord. We are all the team. Today, my friends, is a very nice day and a calm one, too. You know what? I'm a captain who likes to invade stuff. I mean, I own this pirate ship and also an island. Hi there! You do not own the island. Who said that, me hearties? I don't know. I don't know. It's Madam Atonu. Ahoy! You don't have the island for yourself now. It's mine. And look, I have crab and also Lumi, who can destroy you. Ha 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 ha. Ahoy there! You cannot steal our island. I'll beat you. I'll kill you. Friends, help save our island. I'll beat you. I'll beat you. Bombs. Wait. Bombs. Lumi, go attack them. Ah! It's not working. Ah! Oh, you dirty fellas. Stay tuned, fellas, for this movie, which is coming soon, alright? And the next scene will be really, well, what was I cannot even explain it, alright? Stay tuned!